Van Reinsdorp is a small picturesque town in the Western Cape province of South Africa. It is a hidden gem in the Cederberg region, known for its stunning natural beauty, wildflower displays, and laid-back rural charm. Van Reinsdorp is situated 300 kilometers north of Cape Town along the N7 highway, which connects Cape Town to Namibia. It has a semi-arid climate with hot summers and mild winters. Hot spots to come and watch the wildflowers bloom in the springtime here in South Africa, as it is a UNESCO listed Cape Floristic region with a biodiversity of over 6,000 plant species. The modern town of Van Reinsdorp was officially established in 1830 as a missionary station by German missionary Reverend Christian Schroeder. On my way to Nieuwoudtville, I saw long verwacht guest farm and a farm store selling gimmerbier, roomys and roosterkoek.